Welcome to the top best. The best stick and poke tattoo kit is probably one of the most accessible and personal ways to get inked, offering a unique DIY approach to body art that allows for incredible creativity and a deeply meaningful connection to your chosen design, making it a fantastic option for those seeking a more intimate and controlled tattooing experience right in the comfort of your own home. Number 5. Tattoo Aftercare Butter Balm. Discover the ultimate solution for your tattoo's journey. Our butter balm is designed to nurture and protect. Crafted with natural organic ingredients, it provides gentle care for both new and old tattoos. Experience deep moisturization that aids in the healing process. Keep your skin feeling soft and supple. Watch as your tattoo's colors become more vibrant and bright. It helps maintain the brilliance of your art. Whether your tattoo is fresh or has been with you for years, this balm is perfect for its upkeep. Enjoy a generous 2.6-ounce container, ensuring you have plenty of this nourishing balm for consistent care. What we like. This balm is crafted with natural organic ingredients, perfect for keeping your tattoos vibrant and moisturized. It helps to brighten both old and new ink, ensuring your art looks its best. If you prioritize natural care and want to enhance the longevity and appearance of your tattoos, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The needles are individually wrapped and sterile, which is great for hygiene. The ink provided is a good quality black, and it shows up well on the skin. The set includes a variety of needle sizes, allowing for different line thicknesses. Number 4. Dragonhawk Poke Stick Tattoo Kit Beginner. Discover the art of self-expression with this beginner-friendly tattoo kit. It provides everything you need to start your creative journey right at home. This comprehensive set includes all the essential tools for stick and poke tattooing. You'll find needles and other necessary supplies for a complete experience. We've made it easy for newcomers to explore stick and poke tattoos. This kit is designed with simplicity and safety in mind for your first artistic endeavors. Embrace the DIY spirit and create your own unique designs. This kit empowers you to practice and perfect your skills in a comfortable, personal setting. You can trust the quality of the components in this kit. It's a reliable choice for anyone looking to get started with stick and poke tattooing. Begin your artistic adventure with confidence. This kit is your perfect starting point for exploring the world of stick and poke tattoos. What we like. This kit is designed with beginners in mind, offering a complete set for at-home tattooing. It provides everything you need to get started with stick and poke. If you're new to tattooing and want a straightforward, all-inclusive option to practice at home, this is the kit for you. What people say. The ink is very black and vibrant. The needles are sharp and easy to use. The stencil paper transfers cleanly and accurately. Number 3. Solong Professional Tattoo Hand Poke Stick Tattoo Kit. Discover the art of hand-poke tattooing with this professional kit. It provides everything you need to create your own unique designs with precision and ease. This all-in-one kit is perfect for DIY enthusiasts. It includes high-quality tattoo ink, gloves for safety, and a variety of needles to suit your artistic vision. Designed for a comfortable grip and precise control, this tool allows for intricate detail work. Achieve professional-looking results in the comfort of your own space. Crafted with professional standards in mind, this kit ensures durability and reliability. You can trust it to help you bring your creative ideas to life. Embark on your creative journey with confidence. This kit is your perfect companion for exploring the world of hand-poke tattooing. What we like. This is a professional-grade kit that includes tattoo ink and is geared towards DIY enthusiasts. It offers a comprehensive setup for those looking to create their own tattoos. If you're a serious DIYer who wants professional quality tools for your stick and poke projects, this kit is a solid contender. What people say. The needles are very sharp and easy to use, making the tattooing process smooth and precise. The ink provided is of good quality and shows up vibrantly on the skin, lasting for a long time. The set includes a variety of needle sizes, allowing for different line weights and shading techniques. Number 2. Solong Tattoo Poke Stick Tattoo Kit GK803TN01 US. Introducing the Solong Tattoo Poke Kit, your all-in-one solution for at-home tattooing. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need to get started. It includes high-quality tattoo ink, sterile gloves for safety, and precision tattoo needles. You'll have all the essential tools for a smooth tattooing experience. Achieve professional-looking results in the comfort of your own space. This kit is designed for both beginners and experienced artists seeking convenience. We prioritize your safety with included disposable gloves to ensure a hygienic process. Each component is carefully selected for a clean and secure application. Unleash your artistic potential with this versatile polka stick tattoo kit. Explore your creativity and bring your tattoo designs to life with confidence. What we like. This is a compact set that provides the essential tools for stick and poke tattooing, and it even comes with 2 kits. It's great for sharing or having a backup. If you're looking for a convenient and practical option for yourself or with a friend, this 2-kit set is a great value. What people say. The needles are individually wrapped and sterile, which is great for hygiene. The ink provided is a good quality black and it shows up well on the skin. The set comes with everything you need to get started, including different needle sizes for various line weights. Number 1. Moricher Hand Poke Tattoo Kit. Introducing the Moricher Hand Poke Tattoo Kit, your all-in-one solution for DIY tattooing. This complete kit is perfect for beginners looking to explore their creativity. It includes everything you need to get started, from needles to ink. This makes it incredibly easy to practice and perfect your skills. Designed with beginners in mind, this kit simplifies the hand poke tattooing process. You can achieve professional-looking results with practice. Unleash your inner artist with this user-friendly DIY tattoo kit. It provides a safe and effective way to create your own unique designs. This comprehensive kit ensures you have high-quality tools for a smooth tattooing experience. It's the perfect choice for aspiring tattoo artists. What we like. This is an all-in-one kit specifically designed for beginners and practice. It includes everything needed to start learning the stick and poke technique. If you're a complete beginner who wants a simple, all-inclusive package to start practicing tattooing safely and effectively, this kit is ideal. What people say. The needles are individually wrapped and sterile, ensuring safety and hygiene. The ink provided is vegan and cruelty-free, which is a great ethical choice. The set includes a variety of needle sizes, allowing for different line weights and details. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.